Welcome. If you would like a quick introduction to a virtual classroom and how they can be used in your classroom instruction, you are in the right place. With virtual classrooms such as edu.buncee.com, teachers can easily create lessons, assignments, and presentations for their students all in one place. According to the International Review of Research in Open and Distance Learning journal, virtual classrooms are a great way to engage students in their education because students might view technology-based work as more challenging and interesting as compared to always using worksheets to complete schoolwork. Likewise, educationweek.org stated that technology is the language of the current and future student populations. And as educators, we need to play into the importance of technology in our students' educational endeavors. This is an example of a Buncee presentation as compared to a PowerPoint presentation. It has a lot of animations, pictures, and different resources to engage the students of the 21st century. According to the International Journal of Educational Telecommunications, virtual classroom tools can be used in the classroom just as any traditional method of instruction. Here are some ideas of how a virtual classroom such as edu.buncee.com can be used in daily instruction. Here is an example of a virtual math worksheet. Here is an example of a graphic organizer. Here is an example of an exit or admit slip that the students fill out virtually. And here is an example of a virtual homework assignment that the students have to type into and submit on their dashboard. Lastly, here is an example of a lesson presentation. It is viewed as a slideshow, and you can embed videos, use various text and color, as well as animations that are found on edu.buncee.com. Let's take a moment now to see how quick and easy it is to create a virtual assignment on edu.buncee.com. And here we can type in the title. So we can assign the students an assignment on a life cycle of a butterfly. Over here we have all our options. So I'm going to start with the background, and you can choose from multiple Buncee backgrounds, or you can upload a picture, just pick a simple color, and you can decide to apply it to all slides. So I'm just going to pick a color for this purpose. And there's our color. And I want to assign my students to create a chart. So I'm going to go into their stickers and type in graphic organizer. And I like this one. So you just drag it over. You can move the item easily, resize it easily. So this is going to be the life cycle of a butterfly. Now I want to add text, so I go to the text option. And again, everything is easily done. You can change font. We can make it blue, bold. We can make it larger. And it could be as simple as that. If we think we are all done, we can click Done. And you pick the education level, so this would be elementary, category would be science. You can tag your Buncee here, so you can life cycle the butterfly if another teacher would like to use this, if you're going to make it public. I'm going to choose to actually make this public, allow comments, we're going to say no. Copyable, can another teacher copy this? We can say yes. And here's the important part, a submit as assignment, and we're going to click yes. So we have this pop-up box, and it gives it the title that I gave it before, Life Cycle of a Butterfly. And this is where you can write something to your students. Please fill out this chart and submit by Friday. So the start date would be Monday will be assigned to them, and the due date will be Friday. And make student submissions public. I would want their submissions to stay private. That's my choice. I just like to make the students' things private. And we're going to assign it to all of my groups. Click done. And post. And now we can view our Buncee. And it's just that. And now if we go to our dashboard, which is the teacher dashboard, this is what it looks like. So these are the assignments for my classes, and the one we created is right here. And we can see that all of these students will get this assignment. Here are the details about the assignment. You can delete it. You can go to the assignment, which will bring you to the one slide, and you can grade the students' assignments, etc. Since we are in the teacher dashboard, I figured I would show you how the class organizer looks. So this is the class organizer. This is your student pool where you can put all of your students, and here is where you can organize your students according to abilities. So you can have group 1, group 2, group 3, or if you teach in the middle school or high school, you can always go in here and say, this is my science class, and I also teach English up in high school. So this is my English class. It's easily doable, it's easily editable, and these are the students. If we click on a student, it just gives you their information, and the student hasn't made any submissions yet, and we can see that. And if the student had made any Buncees, it would be here as well. And from here, again, you can see all of your students. So these students have specific classes. So for example, Sarah Berry is in my science class and also in group 3. So it's very customizable to teachers. And again, this is just the My Profile. So this is just the teacher profile. From the teacher dashboard, lastly, I just wanted to show the grades option. So right now we are under the grades tab, and we can see all of the students are here, and these are all of the assignments that I've created. And so far, none of these students submitted them, but if they did, I would be able to grade them. And this is the page where I would be able to do that. So I can electronically and virtually grade their work, so there is no paper involved. According to the Journal of Online Learning and Teaching, virtual classrooms are the future of the world of education. So if you would like to get a head start on some of the amazing tools that are out there for classroom use, feel free to use this video to motivate you to get started. Here are just some examples of various lessons and resources that are available through virtual classrooms. According to the Journal of Online Learning and Teaching, virtual classrooms are the future of the world of education. So if you would like to get a head start on some of the amazing tools that are out there for classroom use, feel free to use this video to motivate you to get started. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will serve you as a quick introduction to what a virtual classroom can do and how they can be used in your daily classroom instruction.